Are you ready for some great burgers from in and around Windsor, Ontario? Each year, WindsorEats compiles a list of the year's absolute must-try burgers. We choose from the ooeyest and juiciest, the biggest and sauciest. So before you start getting hangry, let's start the showcase. Primary Social in downtown Windsor hosts the virtual kitchen Super, and they're pumping out a super great breakfast-themed burger. Everyone loves breakfast for dinner, and that was the idea behind the very first burger chef Brandon Sykes developed on his own. Following the hip-hop theme of the menu, the burger is named after his favorite Mac Miller album, Good AM. It's 6 ounces of beef topped with cheddar cheese, bacon, a poached egg, made-to-order hollandaise sauce, all on an in-house baked bun. Even the mayo is made fresh in the restaurant. We're headed to Ottawa Street in Windsor, Ontario for a stop at Motorburger. When you're this good, they call you Daddy. This smash patty burger is a popular one at this burger joint and for good reason. Not only is it loaded with a house-made mac and cheese and caramelized onions, but also a generous handful of in-house smoked pulled pork. We recommend ordering this with an appetite, but it's a lot of burger between the buns. We're walking down Via Italia, Windsor's Little Italy, stopping at Motorburger for a surf and turf that will have your hands full. Named after the amphibious car from the 60s, Motorburger fires up the grill for this thick beef patty before finishing it to perfection in the oven. It's then topped with butter braised lobster before pouring the most delicious lobster bisque sauce over top. It's a combination of deep, rich, refined flavors that pairs well with one of their in-house brewed IPAs. Get ready to unhinge your jaw because Smokeys BBQ is serving up the biggest burger on this list. With 2 patties weighing in at 18 ounces of beef, the Big Daddy is also the only burger on the list that is cooked over charcoal, giving it a great smoky taste. This behemoth was inspired by members of the University of Windsor football team requesting a monster burger that could fill them up. It's topped with creamy pickle sauce, mild barbecue sauce, pickles, onions, lettuce, and 2 slices of real cheddar. In the small town of Amherstburg, Ontario, Burger 67 is serving up some big burgers. This 8-ounce ground chuck patty is topped with both American cheddar and smoked mozzarella cheeses. Throw in some sweet Memphis barbecue sauce, caramelized onions, deep fried jalapenos, pickles, and some huge slices of bacon, and you have yourself the makings of their signature burger and bestseller, the Amherstburger. If you're a red wine drinker, the Salty Dog in Amherstburg, Ontario has a burger for you. Chef Rob Nesbitt has made a burger so good it's simply known as The Burger. Made with ground chuck, it's topped with a generous heaping of melted brie cheese, thick slices of crispy pork belly, a roasted garlic aioli, and arugula packed between a toasted brioche. The salty flavor of the pork belly mixed with the creamy brie cheese and peppery arugula make it a very juicy and buttery burger to bite into. Get your napkins ready as we head to Johnny Shots in Tecumseh, Ontario. Their peanut butter burger offers a perfect blend of sweet, salty, and savory. The patty is made with a blend of locally sourced chuck and brisket, and it's then covered in American cheese, smoked bacon, their special burger sauce, and a thick spread of peanut butter. It's a handful of sloppy deliciousness. We're going open face on our next stop at Garfields in Colchester, Ontario. Smack dab in the middle of wine country, this little diner has become a favorite among both locals and visitors. The hot damn burger is so good, it's kept its place on an ever-evolving menu at Garfields. It takes a 100% beef patty and places it on garlic toast with fried onions and onion rings before smothering it with some great homemade gravy. If you're heading out to Kingsville, be sure to head to Jack's Gastro Pub for their shawarma burger. This all-beef patty is thrown on the flat top and packed with goat cheese, then thrown into a toasted naan loaded with garlic aioli, lettuce, tomato, and pickled onions, all before being topped off with a falafel. We're staying in Kingsville at the Grove Brew House for a burger that pretty much goes full circle of life. The Grove uses local Wagyu beef from Pearson Farms as their patty, and that farm adds the brewery's Clubhouse Stout to the cow's grass-fed diet. So in a way, I guess you can say it's beer-infused beef right from the start. Throw on some brie cheese for richness, garlic thyme aioli, lettuce, and tomato, and you have yourself a pretty flavorful burger. Do you agree with our picks? Let us know in the comments and be sure to follow WindsorEats to hear more about the great things to eat, drink, and do in and around Windsor, Ontario.